So today we'll be looking at the continuation from where we stopped, which is we're in week 3, which is visuals and video automation with AI. So this is for non-designers and also like AI graphics design for non-designers. Even if you're not a graphics designer, if you are new or you've been hearing about it, after this session, you should be able to create some characters for your designs and do some minor designs for yourself. Canva and Midjourney, those are the two tools we'll be using for this session. Canva, Magic Studio, and Midjourney. So you'd see the primary goal is to create high converting art visuals and brand assets without design skills. Then we have this session type is just visual production and brand building. Let's say you've done your brand proposal, you've created your content and all. Now you want to brand it up, design and edit. This is what you will need. This is what you will need to do that. So based on that fact, you'll be needing Midjourney. I don't know. Have you guys created accounts with Midjourney and Canva? So you'll be needing Midjourney and Canva to do the design. With this Midjourney and Canva, you can create high quality visuals, like your character designs and all. You'll be able to get characters that you turn into designs for your stuff to make it much more appealing. Then we have the Canva Magic Studio. This one is like a paid part of Canva. So there's no free version of this. And to have access to this Canva Magic Studio, which will be very useful for you, is you need to like subscribe to the Canva subscription plan to have this access to the Magic Studio. And you can access it on your PC only. You can access it on your mobile. So you can remove background, you can resize and the likes. Then we have Midjourney. Midjourney is for like advanced character designs, like hero images, sharp images for website, all this kind of photography style that are looking like a real photo shoot, that are looking like a cool image that you can use for your designs. That's what Midjourney is for. So you always prompt Midjourney with style references like cinematic, like I told you when you're prompting your Grok. Cinematic, 4K, editorial, minimalist to elevate output quality. Prepare Midjourney with Canva layouts. Like make sure your Midjourney and Canva, you use it interchangeably for the most professional results. So this is to create your own image. This is to create your own image or video. You can also use Midjourney to create some video scenes, just like you can use Grok. You can use Midjourney to create video scenes, then edit already existing videos here. So basically, like you can do quite a number of stuff. You can personalize. You can, but most of the plans on Midjourney, they are paid. They are paid, and like if you are just starting out and you don't really want to spend much on all these AI tools, you could use the free versions and just get started with whatever you want to do. Midjourney is a much more not free payment platform. So we have mood boards. We have on Canva. On Canva, you would see create video. You can create video animation. You can create a motion graphics on Canva. So Canva has a lot of functionality, and you can just play around it for yourself because it's basically for editing designs and stuff like that for those that want to venture into Canva design. So you can see the design, celebrate World Design Day, image. You can create image. You can write articles. You can create animated videos. You can even code, like turn some designs into codes and all. Then you can also create any design of your choice. Let's say you want to promote a natural product, you can use it to edit your designs. So these are what you can do on Canva. So you can see you are telling Canva.ai to design a promotional Instagram post. We just picked one of these things and we just create it for us. there are some templates you will see here. This is the Canva AI. You select Canva AI. But if you select create, you'll be able to create your own. So you'll be able to create your own kind of designs that you want. So once you do that, you'd then ask it to, it's already finalizing the design. You see what it will come up with now. Once you understand this, you can create any design from scratch by entering the prompt. Like today, one of my boss was like, I should create a PowerPoint slide for him. It was like, I should split it amidst those on the team and all. I was like, if I split it amidst those on the team, it would affect the result we will get. That I would take it upon myself to do it. And how did I do this? What do you guys think I would have used for this kind of design? Victoria and for that PowerPoint slide I just mentioned, what do you think I would have used, Victoria and Judy, for that kind of PowerPoint slide that came impromptu and I'm supposed to give it to him before midnight? Yeah, that's nice. So once it sends the documents like that, I'm just supposed to copy the document, paste it on Gamma. Gamma gives me my result. Just that Gamma AI does something. It attach the Gamma logo to the bottom right corner of it. So you still need to use PowerPoint to cover that up. So that's except you subscribe to Gamma AI. Once you subscribe, you won't be having that issue. But once you do that, there won't be any issue related to that. So as I was saying, you can see the result it gave. Now we can edit any of these into any design we want. So that's what Canva is for. Canva is for editing simple and easy designs that we want to use. So once we do that, we would basically just put our prompt into Canva AI. It designs it for us and we get the results. Then for Gamma AI is just to create some silky, clean character designs and image edit for any design we want to do also. So we use it interchangeably. Gamma can create video animation designs. Canva AI can create video animations design, motion graphics, and the likes. So that's that on that. So let's just continue with the notes. Okay. So now, out of this practical text, and you can take it upon yourself. You can do something related to, where's the Chrome? Once you come to this place, you can see the design it came up with. Jide, can you see this? Jide, can you see my screen?
I can see it.
Okay. So once you pick any of these things now, you can edit it. You can edit it yourself. You can add your brand name. This is what Canva is basically for. You can add your brand name, put the icons, and export it as image. You can even do any retouching to it. Just put your details to it, add your contact details, and you have designed your flyer. That's for Canva AI design. So okay, so that's on that. So the task I'm giving you now to submit before Friday is design one complete social media ad for your brand using Canva Magic Studio. Then you generate 3 image variations using Midjourney. You should be able to generate image using Midjourney for the same ad concept. You could generate image of a food, of a hamburger or donut or sausage or something. You could do that. Then you can use Magic to resize, reformat your design for Instagram and all. So now we have these other AI tools. Okay, Agen and CapCut AI. I know you would have heard of CapCut. And I don't
Yeah,
think you've heard about Agent. You know CapCut very well. CapCut is for video editing, but now CapCut can do more than video editing, and there are some courses under CapCut that you can do motion graphics on, but that course is a bit much more complicated because when you start understanding keyframes, transitions, animations, and text animations, like flows, all those stuff. That's for motion graphics. CapCut can do motion graphics. It's not everybody that uses Premiere Pro, but a lot of them will be like, oh, CapCut video editors are not editors. But those people are doing crazy edits, are doing crazy videos with CapCut. So now we are talking about CapCut AI, CapCut AI and Agent. Agent, both of these tools, they're basically video. And if we can complete it in this session, we would do that in our Friday session. Agent, oh, I want us to enter automation. That automation is the main thing. So agent is another AI. You can see make videos with AI. Is different from Grok. Then the second one we're looking at is Canva. Okay, CapCut AI. CapCut AI. I would have preferred the app. Basically, most of these tools, I just come to them once in a while when I need it. That's all. I don't really use them. I have my own personal AI tools. So I would also advise you. I would also advise you not to be jumping from this AI tool to this one to that one to that one. You can like pick some specific ones that match whatever you are doing or whatever you want to do and stick to it.